My name is Tom Belloli, and I'm connected to Orchid in probably one of the best ways you can be connected. My son works here. Well, I ran into difficulty as I've aged. I've tried to stay involved athletically. I still play a lot of court sports and handball, paddleball, racquetball, squash, those kinds of things. I noticed that I wasn't hitting my overhead shots very well with my right arm. I knew something was going wrong, and it got to the point where I couldn't do some simple things in life with my right arm. Tuck my shirt in my pants, comb my hair, stretch to catch a ball, that kind of thing. And so I knew something was wrong, so I went to the doctor the first time, and he said due to arthritis and a bunch of calcium deposits in my shoulder that eventually I was going to need a shoulder replacement. And then I put it off for a while because I was afraid I wouldn't be able to get back in the courts if something went wrong. And like most people, I would imagine. And but it was so great and so successful that I was probably back in the court after about 4 months. It was just tremendous. It was like it was a new lease on life. And I just decided, boy, I'm not waiting for my left. So I scheduled the left one to be done too. So I've had 2 total shoulder replacements, right and left. It's really kept me active, and I love that. I didn't realize how being hurt or being in pain had an effect on my daily life, and especially on my attitude. And I think that's the thing that really affected me more than anything, is the mental part of it. But to have that just relieved from you, the first thing I think I found was, after I got through it, it's not an easy surgery. Everybody knows that. Most of them aren't. What surgery is easy? To know at the end there was a pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. If I got through this, I was going to get back in the court again. It's changed my whole life, really, and I just wished I would have had it done sooner. That's what I would pass on to anybody who's thinking about it. Go for it. So it's been great. It's improved my whole life and my attitude. You should interview my wife, and she'll tell you that I'm happier in the morning when I get up. Well, I think Orchid, I've had a tour like this when Nick first was employed here, and he showed us around, and it was great when he started, but it's even better now. I look at the cleanliness of everything, the tolerance machines to get things exact. People should really see it, and I think they would be even more impressed of what Orchid has been able to do for people like me. Phenomenal, really. And I think you see in the employees too here a really dedication to what they're doing. And I think that makes a huge difference in the quality of the product and why this is such a successful company, and why people like me are up and about again because of that. The gratitude I feel for what they do is just, I mean, you can't put it in words, really. It's tremendous.